God bless you with everything. God bless you.
Sana lumaki si baby boy.
More handsome.
Sana
Bless his health.
be safe and let him be safe.
Protection. Itong limang words. I-bless me at paglaban niya. Kailangan ka siya naman. I-bless mo siya.
Activities.
Masuya man taan ni uy. Ay. Mahawaan na. I'm in between of...
Pwede mo baliktad?
About face graduate!
Murag kambla siguro mo ah.
Pwede mo baliktad?
I think the God, our Father in heaven, has lived up to his years, no?
Yes.
Knowing how his children, his precious children, all that we are, precious children, he can see that your hearts are pure, always with love. Okay? So God is very happy as he sees you doing this to each other. So in Outland Adventure, when we ask you to do these things, we ask you to do them frequently. Not just because you were asked to do it. It's because God wants us to do it.
Ma'am, hindi pa kami naka-reverse.
Wala, 3 minutes lang.
Na-distract sila sa
Akala namin 3 minutes, 3 minutes.
No, 3 is equal to 1 and
Akala namin, akala ko nga about face pa eh.
So anyway, as you continue with each other, let me just re-emphasize, no? Hindi ho namin kayo inimbita na maging participante ng inyong team just so that you can experience what you're experiencing today. We find that this is a very good chance for you to wake up. Who knows when you're going to die? No one. No one. And yet, each minute that God has given us is so precious that it is the opportunity and it is the time to show how much you're going to be loved by Him and that you are going to show that love to others. Give me the 2 great commandments. First, greatest commandment. Go. That is the intensity of your love. That is the greatest commandment. Him first. Walang ibang magiging mas karapat-dapat kung hindi siya. But then again, he said, the second commandment is
Man.
just remember that it will always be the guiding principle of your life. Okay? So thank you very much in behalf of Outland Adventure, in behalf of facilitators Mimi over there. Hello. Tom over there. And Stop who was able to also assist you in the element. Okay, he's not around, he's fixing. And for myself, thank you very much. Maraming salamat sa trust and confidence that you've given us. We hope the day was really fruitful and we were blessed because we were made instruments so that we can be of service to you. And with that, we bid you farewell. Take your snacks. You can now change your clothes. And take a shower. I don't know if there's enough good water. But we hope that you can come back here in another time when you want to come. You have free, no, not free. Oh my gosh, I'm saying free. You have a 50% discount in our zip line, meaning to say we used to be 500, you're gonna get it at 250. I think the coupons might be with the teacher over there, or the coupons can be used anytime we're open. We're closed Mondays and Tuesdays because that's the only day off of the staff. So we're open Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, Saturdays, and Sunday afternoon. If any of you want to use it this afternoon, before it's 4 o'clock, then you can still do the zip line. Otherwise, that coupon can be used anytime, no validity expires.
Wow.
Okay? Because we love you so much.
Thank you.
So maraming salamat. That's my bid to farewell. Can we ask Pastor again to have our closing remarks? Pastor Paul.